Imagine a world where every word you utter, every opinion you voice, every article you publish is under scrutiny and liable to legal action. Would that world still hold the vibrant, diverse, and often challenging conversations that make our society so unique? Welcome to a journey through a landmark case that reshaped the landscape of freedom of speech in the media industry. In February 2024, Bloomberg published an article discussing the status of a merger between two media giants, Zee and Sony, and the ongoing investigation of Zee by the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Zee, feeling wronged by the article, filed for an injunction calling for the removal of the article from the Bloomberg website. Zee claimed the article was defamatory and had caused significant economic losses, as their stock price fell by nearly 15%. In March 2024, the additional district judge agreed with Zee, ordering the removal of the article from Bloomberg's website. This decision was later upheld by the Delhi High Court as they directed Bloomberg to comply with the order within 3 days. But the story doesn't end there. Bloomberg appealed to the Supreme Court, a move which would prove to be a game-changer for freedom of speech in the media industry. The Supreme Court overturned the previous decisions, emphasizing that the threefold test of establishing a prima facie case, balance of convenience, and irreparable loss or harm should not be applied rigidly, especially when it could harm public interest. The Supreme Court underlined that when granting interim relief, courts must provide detailed reasons and analyze how the threefold test is satisfied. They also highlighted additional factors that courts should consider while granting an ex parte interim injunction, emphasizing the need for a careful balance between the fundamental right to free speech and the rights of the aggrieved party. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's decision has far-reaching implications. It establishes a precedent that could potentially prevent the stifling of free speech in the media industry. It underscores the importance of the threefold test and calls for its careful application, particularly in defamation suits. This landmark decision reiterates the significance of freedom of speech and its role in ensuring a vibrant and diverse media landscape. This case serves as a reminder to us all about the importance of freedom of speech, not just for journalists and media platforms, but for every single one of us. Because without the freedom to express our thoughts and ideas, our world would indeed be a very different place. So as we navigate through the complexities of our modern world, let us continue to value and protect this fundamental right.